Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated steering wheel, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, steering wheel controls. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.